Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some renovations on our chicken coop. When we initially redid it, we kept some features that we've decided we no longer need. So we're gonna rip them out today. So come on along. So we're gonna do some cleaning and some maintenance. And we have 4 boxes here. And we're going to rip those out because we've decided we really don't use them and we really need the space for roosting space.
This is a legitimate reason for wearing a mask.
sorry. Okay, so we ripped out the boxes and we left the framing so we have a roost. We took all the sharp objects off of it, and quite honestly I covered the dust for now because we will end up cleaning the coop before winter. So I just added some shavings. We had a lot of shavings in here because we do deep litter, and of course lots of nosy chickens wanting to know what's going on. We added a couple nesting boxes under our nesting boxes because the lavender Orpington and the olive eggers don't seem to want to lay up top. So hopefully that'll help. The other cool thing I wanted to show you is down in there in the boxes were two little roosts, and we have some lavender Orpington and olive eggers that just don't want to go on the upper roost because they're larger birds, so we left them there so they'd have roosts for themselves. We got that crossed off our list for today, and I'm leaving my mask on to show you how disgustingly dusty it was in there, and that's why we wore some masks to protect ourselves, because that's not good to be breathing in. It's a lot of dust, and chicken dust is really brutal to breathe in. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Take care.